Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your account private on Duolingo. So what you'll need to do is basically open Duolingo. After that, go to the bottom menu as you can see and click on the three dots. Right here you'll see profile, so click on the profile, and what you'll need to do is go and click on the gear icon at the top right, and then scroll down until you see privacy settings. Click on the privacy settings, and actually right here you want to see to make your account private. So basically just go to the Safari or Google, open up, go to the duolingo.com, so it's official website, log into it, and after that just go to the profile. So let me go just to the profile. And basically right here, you'll see the same cog icon. Click on privacy settings and you'll see that you can make your profile private. Click save changes. And basically that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.